The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 is a high-end gaming laptop with top-tier performance, display, and build quality. It features an Intel Core Ultra 9-75HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, ensuring smooth gameplay and content creation. The 18-inch 2.5K Nebula HDR Mini LED display offers a 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and Dolby Vision HDR support, providing vibrant visuals and immersive gaming. It supports up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and 4TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, making it fast and future-proof. The laptop's cooling system includes an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and liquid metal on both CPU and GPU, ensuring efficient heat dissipation under heavy loads. It comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1 FRL, and a 2.5G LAN port, making it ideal for high-speed connectivity. The Dolby Atmos 4-speaker sound system and AM noise-canceling microphones enhance audio clarity for gaming and calls. For security and convenience, it includes a 1080p FHD camera with Windows Hello facial recognition, allowing quick and secure logins. The customizable RGB lighting and Anime Vision LED matrix offer personalized aesthetics, while the chassis features a durable aluminum lid with RGB accents. Battery-wise, it has a 90 Wh battery, but gaming usage may require frequent charging. The Strix Scar 18 is upgradable, with accessible RAM and storage slots, and comes with ROG software for performance optimization. While warranty details vary, ASUS provides solid customer support. With a starting price of $2,599, it's aimed at gamers, content creators, and professionals who need top-tier performance in a stylish package. What do you think about the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025? Is it the ultimate gaming laptop, or does it miss something? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe to Tech Talk, and hit the bell for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next one.